Hi guys, it's me again. Yay. I have another tip for you. This one is with pronunciation again. And we're really going to look at the TH in the middle of the word, okay? There was no sound really, just like with. And you notice my tongue comes out, kind of like a snake. I know, English is kind of weird that way.
Just a little. Not like this. Like this.
With. And then there's a TH that does have a sound, the, or this.
Put your finger there if you're unsure about where to stop your tongue.
I'm really going to focus with the TH in the middle for pronunciation purposes. The biggest thing is like birthday. So many of my students say, birthday. Is a day for birds. Wow, that's great. Birthday. Chinday. Chin day. Okay, well, whatever. No, you want to have birthday. You want to see it? You see my tongue? I'll do it in slow motion. Birthday. There we go. Birthday. Birthday. There's a lot of other words. Anything, you know. Brother. Brother has got a slightly voiced. Faithful. Without. With and without. So be sure that tongue comes out with that with sound. Like that. And don't say birthday. Unless it really is birthday, which according to the National Audubon Society, there is a special day for birds, apparently. So hopefully it's not on your birthday. Now, practicing that over and over, birthday, it can be kind of hard, okay? It takes time and you can get really tired. So think of ways to keep your energy when you're trying to do birthday.
Mình uống đi cho khỏe.
Or use the word three, please. When you have 3 people in your family, say that you have 3 people in your family. Please do not say that you have 3 people in your family. 3 people? Okay guys, well, that's all I have for today. We'll do some more later. Say hello.
Hello.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. That's it guys. See you next time.